Hey guys, how's it going? So GameStop stock has been popping lately, and it has something to do with the PlayStation 5 pre-order launching on August 6th. Well, that is the rumor right now. This is not 100% guarantee. Sony might announce a pre-order and release date on August 6th along with a price, but it's not guaranteed. I hope it is. I hope it's true. This is very exciting, and I think a lot of investors are betting on GameStop stock popping on this news event. Will it? It could pop on this news event simply because we're in a pandemic right now and a lot of people are gaming at home. But long term, you gotta look at GameStop long term. Sony is not interested in sharing profits with GameStop. They are interested in getting the members or the PlayStation fans to download digitally and not go buy physical copies of games. That's what Sony wants because they get more money if somebody buys from the PlayStation Store versus somebody going to GameStop and buying a physical version. They get like 15% more profit. So that's quite a bit. So I honestly don't think Sony and Microsoft are interested in helping out GameStop. I just really don't. So short term, yes, GameStop could pop to the upside. If you're willing to gamble that, I mean, from a charting perspective, it looks bullish. It looks bullish right now. And I think it can, I think the stock could pop to $6 or more in the short term, but you know, I'm still a skeptic on it. The gains are not that much more. If you bought it at $4, then yes, I would say, yeah, this is a fantastic opportunity because, you know, you would have been up right now because at $4, I did mention that, you know, there's a possibility it could pop in one of my videos, but I thought it was gonna go down more. Oh well, I mean, I'm not really focused on it because I don't believe in GameStop long term. Short term, yeah. But long term, they are basically dead in the water because everyone's going digital. It's just the reality of it. I'm buying a digital version because it's cheaper. Every single person I know is buying digital. There is a couple people who will buy physical, but most people are buying digital because that's the way things are going right now, and Sony wants that way because Sony makes more money in the digital realm than in the physical realm. AMD could pop on that news, so AMD could rally a little bit higher, or it could fall flat on its face depending on what they announce tomorrow. Sony is already pulling back. Sony could be a short-term play for that news release tomorrow, or it could be sell the news event where the stock would go down even further after they announce the price and release date. Who knows at the end of the day what the market is going to do. It's a gamble. Sony, you're not going to make too much money off anyways because it's already $80. I mean, you could gamble that the market is going to push Sony up even higher. That is a possibility. It's same thing with AMD. You could gamble that the market will, the rich people, the big money will push AMD stock up higher when, you know, in the future. But that's a gamble. You're gambling on that scenario. So, Diamond Peak Holdings Corporation. So, I'm actually happy that this thing pulled back because I got to add in more positions. And I'm still not done buying. I'm still building my position in Diamond Peak. I'm holding this for the long term. I think I done my research, and I'm glad that Diamond Peak Holding is not rallying hard and is kind of stabilizing. This gives average retail investors a safer investment. This is a safer investment than other companies like Shell because the very minimum this stock will go back down to is roughly $10. So you are not like at $12. The worst case scenario, you're losing $2.39, and I highly doubt that this stock is going back down to $10. I think, you know, a good buy area would be around now, or it can go down to $11. I think $11 would be a no-brainer. Now is okay price, and I think, you know, in the 13s is, you know, it's okay, but 11 is a no-brainer. Will it drop to $11? I hope so. I really do, because I have more money and I plan to buy more stock if it goes down to $11. It's a no-brainer at $11. So, you know, we'll see what happens, but I plan to buy more stock. That is my plan moving forward. Shell, unlike Shell, I thought, you know, DPHC would do a Shell where it, you know, it got pumped, and then it got pumped, and then it sold off, and then it got pumped again all the way up to $31.84, and then a big sell off all the way down to $17, and then a bounce. Could Taurus acquisition go back to $11, $10? Absolutely. What is stopping it from going back to $10, $11? Nothing is going. That's why I'm saying Taurus Acquisition Corp is way more dangerous than Diamond Peak Holdings, because Diamond Peak's holding, worst case scenario is $10, and you lose $2.39 buying it here if you buy it here. Like, this is not financial advice or anything. This is just a comparison between DHP and Shell. SPAQ, I thought about buying this, but the fact that this guy has a bad history with Elon Musk, I'm completely staying away from this company, because I think Elon is like a EV god, and anybody who is not friends with the EV god doesn't deserve to have their stock bought. That's just my opinion. I don't know, at the end of the day, this Fisker guy could execute, and, you know, this could be one of the best investments of your life. I don't know at the end of the day, but I'm not touching this stock. I like Solo. I'm going to hold my position, because I think that it's undervalued, and I think in the future it's going to pop to the upside in a big way. But there's also a scenario it can go all the way back to $1.83. I don't know, at the end of the day. I don't know what the market is going to do. I don't control the market. I just talk about it. I thought that DPHC would skyrocket. It didn't. I just bought more. Bought some more at I bought a little bit in the morning, and then I bought some more at 13, and then I bought some more at 12.40. I was hoping that it was gonna go down more. I was hoping to go to $12 or $11. I would be happy to buy more shares down there. I would really be happy if the stock goes down there. I don't know if it will, but I would love for the stock price to go down there. Workhorse, I think if, you know, I don't, you know, it's probably not going to happen, but if DHPC skyrockets to $30, I think Workhorse can easily go to $25, but that's just my opinion. Will DHPC go up there? I don't know, but I feel like this is a buying opportunity. Plug is also, I think Plug is dangerous. Micron is, you know, trading sideways. A lot of people say Micron's undervalued, but, you know, it needs some kind of catalyst to pop. Also, it's probably going to trade around $50 to $52 for a long time. For like ever and ever and ever. Maybe the consoles will pop the stock. GDDR6 is used in the console, and, you know, the Micron could sell the consoles for like nothing. Walt Disney, 11 up 8.27%. That is insane, but it is selling off a little bit. I already talked about okay, no. Gold, I'm surprised gold is not like popping to the upside in a bigger way, because, you know, if we look at the gold here, gold is like at all-time highs of $2,051, and gold, it is kind of, it's at 5-year high, but its all-time highs is around $50. So, I mean, I think gold is a little undervalued at these prices, but that's just my opinion. Uh, Neo lithium is is needed for all these companies come out, but nickel is more important. I have a little bit into this, and then I also bought some of this at 20 cents. I don't plan to sell, even though this stock is extremely diluted. 534 million shares. So, I mean, you could stay away, but I bought some at 20 cents. The company just raised some money, and the stock price didn't even plummet. It just held its ground. Why? Because this company owns a nickel company in the U.S. So that's probably that's the reason why I'm holding on to this company. Very good butchers. I did reduce my position on this. I will explain over the weekend why I reduced my position on this. So yeah, look forward to that. Elevated credit. Elevated is up 17 cents. Like I said, this morning I thought it was a buying opportunity, and it is. I'm no longer a shareholder. I sold out. I used the money to buy into DPHC. I wanted to balance out my cash and my position and the stocks I own. So, and I really want to own a decent amount of this stock because I really believe in this company long term. So we'll see what happens, but yeah, we'll see. Very, very good food company, trading sideways. What else to talk about? Let's talk about some of the. See what ACB is doing. ACB trading sideways. CGC trading sideways. APHA trading sideways. Kron trading sideways. Kira trading sideways. True Eve trading sideways. Planet 13, Jeremy's Baby down 17 cents. Liberal Health Science, Neutral, High Tide down half a penny. Bitcoin is rallying back to its highs. Oh, that's nice. Wonder what Hive is doing. Hive blockchain up 3 cents. So yeah, I don't know what to make of it, but yeah. Anyways, this is it for my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.